Hey guys, this is my last cooking video. In this video, we're gonna make snow ice cream. This is 1/3 of a cup of sugar, or vanilla, or sprinkles, and our peppermint milk. This is our snow. So first, we're gonna add our 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then we're gonna add our vanilla. Now we're gonna mix this up. Oh wait, forgot our peppermint milk. All right, now we mix it up. Hey guys, that's it. And now I'm gonna add our secret ingredient, sprinkles. All right. And, all right, time to taste test. This is really good. You should probably